Hello, so this is Wenyang Cheng demonstrating the MegaDesk 1.1, the final version. And so here is our add quote function. If I'll show you if we don't select some of the boxes like the material and rush order, it would prompt us to please enter all values. And then if we do all, to the material and rush order, it will calculate the price for us. If we hit cancel, it would take us back so that we can modify some of the inputs, or otherwise we can just confirm it and then it'll write to the file. And then so here's some of the files that I've inputted, and let's just make sure it's actually writing into a file. So let me do new file, and to one drawer, veneer, and then rush 3 days, create, confirm. And if we look here is that new order, and everything's right here. And then if we want to search certain of the quotes by the material type, then we can select, eliminate, there's 2 oaks, 1 rosewood, veneer, there's a couple of them, and then pine. And so yeah, that is basically my app. And thank you for watching.